Alright, so today's video is probably one of the most important ones about social dynamics. Gentlemen, today's video is probably the only one you'll need to watch in order to become more chivalrous and charismatic. Attraction, alpha, sex appeal, being desirable or being charismatic. Gentlemen, all of it starts with this one thing. The mighty, the needed, the humorous, the charismatic, the charming, the erotic, and the most inviting thing, the most important thing, the mighty eye contact. You see, the way you look at someone and the way you do things followed by looking at someone are the very few things you need to learn and master about social dynamics. I mean, this basic thing can help you get you your dream job, your dream wife, your fantasy girlfriend, or anything else that you desire or want in life. So why wait, why delay? Gentlemen, if getting that eye contact or making and holding that epic eye contact is the need of the hour, is your concern, then I am here to help you with the same. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. This is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. Okay, listen up. 3 quick things before I get into the video. 1, check out the Hindi channel and check out my Instagram page. In case you like these videos, in case you want to see more daily lifestyle, fitness, grooming, and all these things that I talk about in real, practical, day-to-day life, my Instagram page is probably one of the best places for you to be. In case you want to watch this video in Hindi, my Hindi channel is a very good place for you to be. And yes, in case you don't want to miss any of the daily uploads happening on this epic channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell of this channel. Now, that being said, let's get started. Gentlemen, we humans are a much evolved species. I mean, we surely are not living in the wild anymore, and we surely are not looking like any wild animals or wild creatures anymore. Or at least most of us aren't. So with this evolvement in our lifestyle and in our mindset, we low-key forgot the very basics of being human. In this world of tech, social media and Tinder, we quite literally forgot the very basics of being social. I mean, most of us are either too shy, lost in our own dreams, or we are either too aggressive, way too forward, scaring the shit out of people, so as to speak. Now sure, being shy can be cute and being forward can be deemed confident or can be deemed as something confident, but there is always a fine line to it. And we, most often, either undershoot it or just cross it. So if you're new to this world of being a better man, if you're new to this world of making amazing new friends, and if you're here to learn a few basic things that will help you make some epic, amazing eye contacts, then this is the place for you. This is the video for you. Tip number 1, breathe and relax. Calm down, realize the fact that it's normal, realize the fact that you wanting to look at someone is normal and you being shy or nervous about you looking at someone is normal. Just calm down, breathe and realize, let this thing sink in and realize this fact as a true thing in your system, in your brain, in your body. Now in case it wasn't clear, let me repeat it again. It is normal. Gentlemen, it is normal for you to wanting to look at someone. It is normal for you to be nervous or be shy about looking at someone. It is normal for you to make some healthy eye contact. The keyword here being healthy eye contact. Now I'll talk more about this healthy bit in a later video, but for now, let's get done with the basics first. In case you're someone very shy, in case you just can't make eye contact, in case you just can't hold eye contact with anyone around, be it man or a woman, here is something that I want you to do right now. Stand in front of the mirror and start acting out. Stand in front of the mirror and start acting out. You can either dance, play some characters, play some movie roles, do whatever you want, but just face yourself in the mirror, look at you when you're doing it in the mirror and just act yourself out. You do it once, you do it twice, you keep doing it for a number of times and you start getting comfortable with your own self. You start accepting yourself, you start appreciating yourself. The number one reason you get shy or you get nervous around people or you don't make that eye contact with people is because you are way too harsh on yourself. You subconsciously think that you aren't well worth their thought, you aren't well worth their time or their eye contact. That's not the truth. That's far from being anything true. So you have to start appreciating yourself first. You have to start realizing your own value and your own net worth first. Do that by just doing this very first step in the list. Gentlemen, in this world of highly sensitive social media, it is important. It is damn important and a damn necessity for you to start loving yourself, to start believing in yourself and to start appreciating yourself for what you are. So please do this in case you haven't. Just try it right now. And once you're done with that, we'll move on to the step number 2. And the step number 2 being the second tip on the list being smile. Think of a joke, think of some funny moments with your friend, think of your dog, think of any movie, think of anything that will put a smile on your face, think of anything that will bring a smile on your face. Once you have that on your face, once you have the smile on your face, just keep at it. I mean, just keep that smile on your face. I don't care if you have to do it consciously. I don't care if you have to do it forcefully, but I want you to have that smile on your face, because here's the thing. When you have the smile on your face, you start thinking things differently. You see the world around a whole lot more differently. And hey, it's a whole lot more easier for people to look at a smiling face than someone who's angry, sad, depressed, or about to go kill someone. So please don't be that guy. Have a smile on your face. For some reason, they don't need to know the reason. You just want to have a smile on your face much before you make any damn eye contact. Have the smile on your face, rock that smile on your face, and then proceed with your mighty eye contact. But Mayank, eyes are intimidating to me. Eyes scare me. I just can't do that. I can't do that. Well, in that case, in case you just can't look at someone's eye, here is a quick tip for you. Tip number 3, or this third step on the list. Don't look at someone's eyes, look here, or just look at one eye. If you're too confused wanting to stare between their eyes, just focus on one of their eyes, any one of their eyes, or just look here, right between their eyes. They won't get to know where you're staring, they won't get to know where you're gazing. It'll just look like you're looking at their eyes. That's the easiest step I can recommend, that's the easiest step I can tell. So here's a quick rewind. Here is what you are going to do. You're going to smile, you'll have the smile on your face, you look at someone's eye, you look at someone's face, you look at their face, you look at their eyes for 10-15 seconds, and then you look away. You don't want to creep her out, you don't want to creep him out by just staring at them non-stop for like 5 hours. Don't do that. And I don't think you'll most consciously be doing that. I mean, don't be that creep, don't be that leech. Just hold it for 10-15 seconds, look away, and then come back to it and see her again. It's just as simple as that. I'm not telling you to not to look at her, I'm not telling you to not to look at him, or not make any eye contact. Make it for 10-15 seconds, look away, get back to your business, and then come back to your mighty eye contact. I mean, most of us subconsciously do it because it's very difficult for us to hold an eye contact for more than 10-15 seconds. We tend to look away after 10-15 seconds. That's how our human brain and our mighty eyes are wired. But there are some people, there are some men, there are some folks who just get lost and start oogling at the opponent, or start oogling at whosoever they are trying to look at for like hours long and creep the fuck out of him or her all the given time. Don't be that guy, don't be a creeper. Do it nice, do it subtle, and do it the best way possible. And speaking of best way, here is an important tip number 4 or tip number 5, I don't even know which tip is it, but here is the last and probably the most important tip on the list. Patience, practice, and have fun. I mean, it's an eye contact, for God's sake. This is not you writing some rocket science, this is not you writing something about aerospace engineering. This is eye contact, this is just us being human beings. How difficult would that be? How difficult does that sound? I know it's very vague for us to talk about these things because we are just so away from being social and being human in this world of tech and whatnot, but just keep at it, have fun with it, and do it on a consistent basis. It won't happen overnight, it won't happen in a week's time or in a month's time, but hey, if you keep at it, if you just have that smile on your face, and if you have fun with it, if you are actually enjoying the moment of having a smile on your face and thinking of something funny and making some amazing eye contact with people, and then they are returning you your eye contact, it's a fun, engaging, very humanly social experience that I would want you to experience, I would want you to be a part of. Anyway, these were my 4 or 5 tips that I think can help you greatly with your amazing eye contact or eye gazing skills. In case it did help, you can watch this video in Hindi and you can like that video by clicking that like button. It will barely take you 5 seconds, like not even 5 seconds, it will barely take you 3 seconds to press that like button and to click that subscribe button down below. Do that in case you like this video, do that in case you want to watch more of these videos. Now, I'll go work on my eye contact because this is a work in progress. Especially to me, this is a long work in progress. So I'll go do that. I'll fix my eye contact skills and I'll probably make more videos. You don't forget to dress sharp, stay strong, and stay stylish. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.